Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lucy, and in this channel we do all things DIY, all things decor, and a little of lifestyle. And in today's episode of making a luxurious look for really less, today we're going to be making this luxurious tufted headboard from scratch for very less. And I sourced everything myself, and I'm going to carry through the process. And this DIY is really easy to make and very affordable. At the end of this video, I'm going to tell you how much it cost in Naira to create this DIY, so you can go ahead and convert it in your own currency. But trust me, this was so easy and I really love it. And I actually made it for my younger brothers. I'm going to be taking it out of this place right now, but I just wanted to show you guys how it really looked flexing it. It's so amazing and beautiful. So yeah, let's head to the beginning, the actual beginning of this video. So I got this half ply board for about 4,000 Naira. This half ply board is 2 by 4 feet, and I'm going to take about 8 inches measurement. I really can't place a finger right now, but it's about 8 inches measurement, and they're going to help me cut it, because at first I tried cutting it by myself and they laughed at me and took the board away from me and did the cutting themselves. I wanted to cut this wood at the market just because I wanted it to fit into the trunk of the car we came with, and that way I'm not going to have to pay some guys to do the delivery of those really cheap wood to me. So yeah, it's always better to have the wood cut in the market. If you're buying it in board, it's better to cut it in the market. There are machines to cut this really at the market too, but I wanted to make it easier for myself and cheaper for myself, and also cheaper for you if you're trying this DIY. So yeah, it kind of fit into the trunk of the car at the end. And yeah, I took it home and this is what it looks like. I had 10 of this. I was only able to get 8 out of the previous wood that I had cut in the market, which measures about 4 feet. So I was only able to get 8 of this out, so I needed extra 2, so I had to cut it at home. So I went on to apply my glue and joined it with my foam. I had already cut this foam outside this video, because why not? Also for the fabric, I placed the wood on the fabric and I measured out extra 2 inches on all sides of it, and that's how I got the extra allowance that I used to fold the fabric. So I really love the color of this fabric. What do you guys think about this color of this fabric? For the fabric, I would also advise that you cut more than just 2 inches, maybe like 3 would do. That way you have enough to fold with, because here you can see I was battling with the fabric to fold with. I don't know if I mentioned this, but I'm using a 1/2 inch foam. I really don't want it to look very foamy in the eyes. I wanted it to look more like a wall panel, because we're going to be hanging it up on the wall. I don't want it to look so obviously for me. I don't know, but yeah, for the sides of this, when you're about to fold the sides, always make sure to cut out the fabric, the extra fabric, before folding it. That way you're going to reduce the amount of folding you're going to have in the front, and that way your work is going to be neat. So yeah, I'm just going to basically do this for all my wood and all my foam. And for this fabric, I got about 2 yards of it for about 2,000 Naira. I don't know what car is passing right now, because I'm not going to repeat this voiceover. But yeah, I got it for 2,000 Naira. You guys have been repeating this voiceover. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, but I'm not going to repeat this one. I got it for 2,000 Naira for 2 yards, and that's exactly what I used. I didn't even use up to 2 yards. I had like extras left. Yeah,